So today is the day. I told y'all I wasn't playing with Josh. He thinks that he's getting ready to drop off Ace. Ace is our dog, to the vet because Ace has to get his shots, whatever. And when he comes back, we're gonna go to the grocery store. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna be slick with it, but we're gonna go to the grocery store. Sorry if I look dusty. I'm gonna get myself right. But we're gonna go to the grocery store, and on our way to the grocery store, I'm gonna stank that car up. I got this in the mail this morning. Excuse the word. It says liquid. Yeah. I got this in the mail. I actually ordered it on Amazon late last night, and it said that it would deliver here by like early 8 o'clock in the morning. I got it late last night, and it said that it was gonna be here early this morning. And so when I woke up this morning, it was already at the door, and I was like, bruh, how am I gonna get this thing from the front door without Josh noticing? And so, me being the genius that I am, as he was brushing his teeth, I slickly unlocked the door, grabbed that thing, and when we get in the car, oh, it's gonna be stinking. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna just act like I'm holding the phone, vlogging, because we're trying to do this vlogging thing. And I'm gonna be vlogging in the car. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, holding the phone. But I'm going to stink that car up. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. I didn't even have to spray it. That thing smells like 10 cans of bounce. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's still in my nose. All right, y'all, that really stank. So I don't know if this is a prank towards me or towards him, but
that thing stinks.
Anyways, all right, y'all. I see y'all in a little bit. We're vlogging today.
Yes, Lord. As you can see, I need a haircut from my good old man, Vivid the barber.
Yes.
Set an appointment ASAP.
He's literally the best barber.
Literally.
He be having your haircut looking.
Some Wendy's breakfast.
I know it's not good for us. It's not healthy, but.
It be hitting.
Wait, did you get me these or these yours?
No, you got the croissant. I got the. We both got 2 sandwiches.
Mom's doing it.
Hey, that's yours.
Anyway, I'll hit you guys back up once we finish our breakfast. Okay? Alright, we're back. About to go to the grocery store.
Yes, Lord.
Just ate. That Wendy's was kind of nasty.
It was nasty?
Yeah, like my stomach hurt. No, like for real, babe, my stomach hurt.
I got fought.
I really do have the boo-boo.
I ain't farting in this car.
I think it's that Wendy's.
We just got this car a couple weeks ago. So we guarantee. You know how when you get a new
Wait,
car.
I think I just farted.
Oh, you did.
I did.
You farted in your sleep the other night.
Oh my god.
It don't stink. Oh, hell no, Kaya.
Oh my god, we got it on camera. Babe, take me back to the house. Take me back to the house. I'm not even kidding.
No, you don't go to the bathroom in there.
Babe, no, I don't. Babe.
It's clean.
Babe.
Oh my god, bro.
Babe, take me to the house. Take me to the house. Take me to the house. Babe, I cannot believe we're getting all of this on camera. Babe!
Yeah, why would you do that?
What you mean I have to do?
That bad?
Yes. Oh.
No, you messing up the seat, bro.
Babe, I'm sorry. Oh my god. I can't believe I got this on camera. Babe, it smelled that bad?
Yes, bro.
Oh my god. Ew. Okay, let me see if I can. No, for real, babe. No, for real, I think I really did.
Bro, how?
I think, babe, the freaking Wendy's.
You don't know the difference between a fart and a...
The freaking Wendy's. Oh my gosh, babe. I'm sorry, that's so embarrassing. I'm not recording no more because that's really embarrassing.
Yeah, that's embarrassing. You can't put that on the vlog.
Babe, it's the, oh my god. Babe, no, for real. What was in that Wendy's? I can't believe I got this on camera. Oh, babe, hurry up. Wait, no, because the police is down there. Babe, more, it feels like it's about to come out.
We need to wait.
Babe, I can't believe I got this on camera. This is good. No, for real, babe, I'm about to start crying. All jokes aside, this is a real moment. Y'all, that spray stinks.
Babe,
it's not funny. That's really embarrassing.
That's crazy, man. How do you fart and doo-doo come out? You know the difference between farting and doo-dooing?
Babe, it's that drag on.
Oh my god!
Babe, I told you I doo-dooed on myself.
Oh! Oh!
What do you think it's gonna smell?
Oh!
What do you think it's gonna smell like?
Oh!
It's just sitting there on my
God,
butt.
please, take it away, Lord. Take it away.
Babe, be careful. Be careful.
Okay.
If you hurry up, babe, we gotta, it's just sitting on my butt.
I can tell. Oh my god, we gotta ride around in it. Oh my god, you have to let it smell like doo-doo.
No, it does not.
Oh my god.
Babe, don't embarrass me like that. Babe, why do you? This is so embarrassing. Should I not post this? Should I not post this?
No.
How the heck? I've never doo-dooed like that before. It stinks.
Bro, how do you... You're weird.
I'm not weird. Oh! Oh my gosh. It's coming out of my pants. Because I was sitting on it.
No.
Babe, how I'm gonna walk out like this? They're gonna see, but you're gonna see doo-doo on my pants.
I'm gonna record that.
Babe, I'm about to delete this. Babe. Babe, you embarrassed?
Yes. Bro, how do you fart and doo-doo come out? That don't make
You telling me you never farted and doo-dooed at the same time?
No.
I mean, it never accidentally came out?
No, I know. You try to squeeze that fart out and doo-doo came.
No, I did not. It's that freaking Wendy's. That's why I said, what the heck is in that Wendy's? That thing was disgusting. Babe!
Stop.
No, it feels like it's about to come out.
Don't touch me.
Babe, so...
Don't touch me.
Babe, slow down. Slow down. Joshua. Slow down. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely not putting this in a vlog. I'm cutting all of this stuff out. You don't even care to help me. Babe, you sneezing and stuff?
Doo-doo.
Shoot, it feels like more about to come out. What the heck was in that Wendy's? Dang! Why you look like you about to throw up?
Get out the car.
Babe, you said get out the car?
Get out the car.
No, really. This was the prank.
No,
Got him! It really does stink, y'all. This joint smells so freaking bad. Y'all, it's on my hands. Oh! My hands smell like booty. My hands smell like booty.
Get out the car. Get out!
Smell my hands, babe.
No, dog.
Babe, it smell like booty.
Oh, get out, yo.
Oh, it's on my phone. Ew. It stinks.
On the car. In the video.
Got it. Got it.
No, it's fake.
It's a break.
No, it's not.
It's a break. It's a break.
Boom! Babe, it smells so bad. What we gonna do to get rid of the smell?
Why would you spray that in the car?
I know. That's what Lonnie was saying. Lonnie was like, you shouldn't spray that in the car.
Where did you order this?
Last night, and it came this morning, and when you were brushing your teeth, it was at the door, and I swiftly got it out the front door. Got him.
Oh my god.
Babe, smell my hands.
Oh.
Did I get him, y'all? Did I get him? It smells like 10 cans. Oh, bounce!
Get out the car.
Is there some way we could spray the car?
With what? Can you?
Anyways, y'all, I pranked him. Yeah. That was a good prank.
That was a good one.
Oh, I gotta go clean up.
Yeah.
I smell really bad. But anyways, I got him. Look at him. He don't know what to do with himself. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Joshua, your butt crack.
Get out the car.
You guys. You guys. Make sure you like. Make sure you like. What are you doing?
I don't know. Something. It's a bug on you too.
Stop lying.
Yep.
Joshua, get it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. More videos to come, more pranks to come, more challenges. Like, I got him. I kicked off this whole prank war. It's Team Kenya, Team Ken, Team Kenny, whatever y'all want to call me. Anyways, make sure, again, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Oh, also, there should be...
What is all this?
Also, there should be a new intro to our channel.
Right, you sprayed it on the thing.
Okay, there should be a new intro to our channel. So, again, like, share, and subscribe. We love you guys. Say bye.
See you guys.
Oh, babe. There's a bug. Okay, bye, y'all.